Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. If you're here to check out one of our great products. So take off your pants and get comfortable while we have a look at the Ranger. All of our rings come in our custom wood grain shipping box. Classy shipping, as we like to say, because we like to keep it classy here at Manly Bands. Inside is our second box with as many logos as you could possibly want, including this one on our welcoming card telling you that you are handsome and that you're great for joining the Manly Bands movement. We've got some information there for our customer service if you have questions about life, and then also some pictographs telling you where to find us on social media and telling you where to post your pictures and tag us in social media when you get your ring, which will be soon because we got super fast shipping. Inside, there we have it, the Ranger. Beautiful black zirconium with the deer antler inlay. It comes in 8mm size, custom fit every time, flat design with beveled edges. All of our deer antler is 100% natural deer, so that's great. The antler comes from shed, so no deer were harmed in the making of this video or this ring. Inside also we have our black silicone band. If you're looking to, if you're a ranger, you're out doing what rangers do, which I believe is just manage tourists. Guys, I should really study up on things. And then inside we also have some promotional materials. So check those out, maybe discounts, maybe more compliments. Who knows? Check out the Ranger on manlybands.com.